Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be all about Benefit's new mascara called Bad Gal Bang. Boom. This bad boy right here, or you know, let's say Bad Gal. That was such a lame joke. I hate myself. Alright, anyway, so it's going to be all about this right here. I literally just got my hands on this, like, just got back from Ulta. And I was not going to miss out on this one because I don't know what it is, but the Ulta by me, anytime something new comes out, it's, if you're not there the very second it comes out, it's almost impossible to get your hands on. But anyway, this is what the bottle looks like here. I'm already in freaking love with the bottle. Like, I don't even know if it's really going to work as well as it has for other people. But right now I'm just like, I'm super in love with this bottle. So first of all, it feels really nice, which is so pointless to what's going on here, but it feels so nice. Anyway, so just for quick reference, the mascara that I usually like to use, where is it? Is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now, my favorite used to be Better Than Sex. And I know a lot of other people will say, oh, it used to be Better Than Sex. Then I found L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Yes, it's cliche. A lot of people say it, but it's so true. I used to be a diehard fan of Too Faced Better Than Sex. Found this one, and I actually like this one better than Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I always, once I feel like I'm starting to run low, I always get a backup immediately. Like I just always have one of these waiting to be used. I play no games. I make sure I always have it in stock. So if this one can perform better than this one, which I think it gives me volume, I think it gives me length. I don't have any issues with it clumping up on me or flaking off. As a matter of fact, the only time that will actually happen is when it's drying out and it's about to and it's gonna oh my god, excuse me, and it's in need of being thrown away and replaced. That's the only time. So that's kind of like the telltale sign that's like, okay, time to get rid of it, let's get moving. But anyway, enough rambling about that. I'm going to scoot you in closer. I'm not sure how well this camera is going to do with zooming in. I might switch to another camera, but either way, we're going to scoot in closer. I have absolutely nothing on my lashes right now. I did my full face and held off on doing that just so that we could test this out on camera. So we're going to switch angles here and we'll be right back to get the test started. Well, hello there, super up close and personal. Okay, have no idea what kind of anything is going on, so forgive me. Ooh, okay, so first things first. There goes the wand. Let's bring that closer into focus. So that's what the wand looks like. It's very flexible too. Look at this. So super bendy, super flexy. Okay. So let's see how this translates to getting this on the lashes. Ignore the fact that I got some of my lower lash line there, but what do you guys think so far? It's super black, I'll tell you that much. It's just super black. Should we try for a second coat? Let's see. I usually do about 2 coats. So let's see how it'll build up. Let's get close up there again. zoomed you guys out. And now I'm just gonna try to, well, not try to, I'm just gonna go ahead and get these lashes done on this side. Just one coat, and I love how it looks. Like they look like mine. They look fuller. They definitely look longer because I've got some super short lashes. My lashes are just the worst. They're almost non-existent. So that's just to get that amount of color, that amount of length and volume and payoff. They feel pretty soft too. Not even like crunchy or anything like some other, like what was another one I had that were kind of giving like a crunchy feeling once I was done using it. Do I even have it anymore? What was it? I think it was it the Makeup Forever one? I think there was a Makeup Forever one that did it, but I'm so definitely pleasantly surprised. Oh, really quickly, let's see what our bottom lashes will look like. I'm kind of a little afraid of this wand for the bottom lashes, but let's hope I don't mess it up too bad and see what these will look like. I'm actually just going to tap off the tip on the back of my hand just because I don't want that to end up getting all over my bottom lashes, but let's see how that'll look. Actually, let's do this one. So bottom lashes, I gotta say, look about the same that they would with any other mascara, but it's most likely just all in the application and the way I choose to put it on, because I'm really super light-handed with any mascaras that I choose to use on the bottom lashes. So I would say it just looks pretty, you know, average there, but I'm still definitely super impressed with the top lashes. I'm just so in love with the way it looks with just one coat, especially for everyday simple makeup days where you're not wearing lashes or anything, but you still kind of want your lashes to just kind of boom in your face. I love it. I definitely recommend it for anybody who wants to try it. Just like I've said before in a previous video, if you go purchase it at Ulta, you can return it. So, you know, what's the harm in trying it on and seeing if you like it and you do fall in love with it? But I'm absolutely in love. This might just be my new favorite everyday mascara because it just looks beautiful. Like, I mean, no falsies, no nothing, and it really just I can't stop staring at my lashes. This is so funny. Yeah, it is definitely a really nice formula. They still feel soft. This side, not so much. I have to say, this side, you can definitely tell that there's a second coat on there. But this side, like, it still feels super soft. Like, they could be your own lashes. Like, I don't even know what to say. So I'm going to stop speaking now. So if you haven't already and you like this video, then please subscribe. If you are already subscribed, then please hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video and you can be one of the first to view the video. If you are already subscribed and you did like this video, then please hit the thumbs up down below so I know you liked the video, and it'll help me to create more content in the future. So I hope you all have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.